everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 not launching or is always crashing. So let's begin. So here we are in Counter-Strike 2 on Steam, and the first thing that we would need to do is we are going to view the system requirements. So make sure that you meet the system requirements right here. So if not, then you would need to upgrade your specs in order for you to play this game right here. But if you do meet the specs and you are still having trouble in launching this game right here, then what I recommend is that you need to update your graphics card driver and make sure it's updated. So to do that is, depending on your graphics card, if you have an NVIDIA, then you would need to type here on the search bar in your start menu, GeForce. It would be like that, but in my case, I will be using the AMD because I have an AMD graphics card, so it will be this AMD software right here. And from here, once I open this, I can go click here on download on the driver and software right here, and when I click on download, it would automatically download, and after that it would automatically install, so I don't really have to do anything but wait. And yeah, it's basically the same steps. If you have an NVIDIA, all you have to do is go to the GeForce software and you can just download your version or update for your driver right there. And now let's go close it right there. And after you have successfully downloaded and installed your graphics card driver, is that you need to also update your Windows. So go for your start menu and type in update. Right here, check for updates and make sure that you don't have any important updates that is currently pending right here. So if you're experiencing this problem, then I suggest that you install all updates that is available right here. And after all that, then you go for the next step, and this is probably the best. So what you need to do is go into your Steam right here, Steam app, and we would need to go into our library right here and go for Counter-Strike 2, right click on it and go into properties, and from here you're gonna go into for installed files, and now you're gonna click here on verify integrity of game files, and in this way then you could just go and make sure that you don't have any corrupt files running in your Counter-Strike 2 that is preventing you from not starting up the game correctly. And after this will be finished, after quite some time, is that you can see if there is some errors in the files, then you can just solve it immediately just by reinstalling your Counter-Strike right here. But if not, then you can just test it out again, and I'm pretty sure that it has been solved already using the steps in the video. And yeah, that is basically how you can fix it right here. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.